Bitcoin is right now flashing a signal that should send shockwaves, chills, potentially even urine down the legs of the Moon Boys. But is it going to be as big as we think it is? Or is it actually even much bigger? Bitcoin over the last few days has formed a very interesting pattern, and I believe that it is going to dictate and tell us the direction of Bitcoin's price over the next 2 to 3 months. And if you think that's big, you haven't seen anything yet. So if you love pumping, but you also have grown to love dumping, hit that like, hit that subscribe. And without any further ado, let's absolutely jump into this. So over the last week, actually the last 7 days, I was up in the mountains and I did not even have access to a computer screen. I wasn't even looking at like these detailed charts on the computer. Of course, I had my phone and I was looking at the price, but after getting back today and looking at everything, I think there has been massive development actually in these charts, and we're going to be going over that. So the first thing I want to look at is that yesterday we had the stock market, the SPX, the S&P 500, put in a new all-time high. If we go to the daily chart for the SPX, yeah, you can see that there with that candle, higher than the highs that we initially set back at the end of 2021. So the highest the SPX has been throughout all of 2022, all of 2023, it is now at a new all-time high. And historically, this is good for Bitcoin. However, if we look at Bitcoin's daily chart, clearly now we do have bearish divergence, more bearish divergence confirmed on this chart, with the price breaking to these highs, higher than the highs we saw back at the beginning of December, but with the RSI and the MACD showing divergence from that price. But that's not the only thing. If we look at the daily chart for Bitcoin, this for me is something that I have been watching and has been very reliable and something I look at every time I have access to these charts. We are now below this trend line. We're breaking below it. And honestly, over the next couple of weeks, it's very possible we see a continued sustained pullback before we really start this bull market, before the halving, before things really get heated. This potentially is the very last great entry of this bull market, and also potentially the last significant dump before the bull market really begins. And I'm talking about the chance of even a 30% pullback. And I'm going to explain why also in this video, but that sounds dramatic, right? That sounds pretty big. 30%? Absolutely. That is a pretty big dumpulation for Bitcoin. Now, if Bitcoin dumps 30%, you better believe altcoins are very likely to get completely diddled as well. If we look at Bitcoin's daily chart also, we do see that we are getting a bearish cross on the 5-day MACD. So this is interesting. Actually, if we look at the weekly as well, we're doing the same thing with the MACD curling over and momentum obviously switching. I believe that it's very possible that we have set the high on Bitcoin for at least the next couple of weeks. And with people also piling in with the Bitcoin ETF, sell the news event, I think a lot of this absolutely can keep Bitcoin down potentially for the next few weeks. Now, I'm extremely bullish on Bitcoin. I think that the Bitcoin halving, which is only 3 months away, is going to be massive. However, looking at the past, usually the price really starts pumping a few months after the halving, like we really start busting a few months after the halving. So, in my opinion, this gives us about a 3 to 5 month window where really anything could happen. A lot of sideways, I personally think, and also, in that 3 to 5 month window, that's big chance for that 30% dump. And so I believe it's begun. So also, if we look at this indicator, GBM, something I've been using for a couple of years since the end of 2021 as well. When we have the initial bust above this, remember this was back in March 2020, so we went significantly below it, but coming back to retest the first line here happened also in the previous bear to bull market after we busted above it here. This was back in July of 2016. But here we are. All I'm saying is this pullback, in my opinion, if it really continues, it's still way too early on the pullback, but all I'm trying to do is prepare you for the possibility as we start to see this market obviously show some bearish signals, which I'm also going to continue talking about. pulling back to 31, 32, even a test of 30K is possible. And it doesn't break the bullish structure of this market. In fact, if we look at this chart, if you look like where historically over the past year or two have we had resistance that could now turn into support, it's literally just right here, right at about 30K. So I'm just saying, I personally think we could have a retest of 30K. Now, that if you're watching this and thinking, wow, that sounds very bearish. One, no, it's not bearish at all. Okay. Bullish markets need to be built upon retests like this. If something like that would happen. And keep in mind, this chart is something I've been highlighting. It's the entire cryptocurrency market cap. This chart right here, this area represents presumably this entire bull market. We have a long way to go. And we have a long way to go before we even start seeing the massive gains of the bull market, really, right? Not even quite a year, so it's less than a year away. But if we talk about 4 to 6 months from now, that's a pretty long time for a lot of people to think the real, we might not get any real crazy gains for another 4 to 6 months. That's what I'm saying. I think that's very, very likely. But we look at this chart, we're like, I want to say like 10 to 15% into this bull market. We have so much to go. In terms of gains. Now, the DXY over the last couple of weeks since the beginning of the year basically has gone on a decent run. It's running into resistance, however. The stock market looks very strong, which again, I think will help out Bitcoin. But if in the short term we have to experience a little dumpulation, I think that's more likely than it's not likely. We are below the 21 and 50-day moving averages now. We have big support around 34K. Which is right where that 200-day moving average is. But guys, all I'm saying is I could see this get dumpier before it gets pumpy again. Okay, that's all I'm saying. And if we look at this is on a weekly chart. You can see Bitcoin has been stalling out for like the past month, kind of right in this range, which is exactly, if we zoom in here, this range right here, which is exactly what Bitcoin does before it, initiates a trend reversal when it puts in a local top. I think it's very possible we've seen the local top for Bitcoin. Okay, it's not saying too much. Bitcoin had an insane final 3 months of 2023, and it needs to cool off after a while. And so a lot of signals are now showing up. Right, I have a fresh look at these charts as well. I took my head out of the game for 7 days. I came back, looked at it, and this is all it's telling me. Right, I'm not looking at this with any bias, bullish or bearish. But yeah, basically to sum it up, I think that we might have a really good buying opportunity here. I want to see first how 37 to 38,000 holds. I think that's a pretty big level for Bitcoin, right around here, to see if we get support here, because that could end up being the entire pullback, especially if Bitcoin just continues to maintain very bullish sentiment, very bullish momentum. I think that's very possible. I think we could bottom out only a few $1,000s lower, but all I'm saying is also a giant dip all the way to 30,000 would still be healthy, still be normal. And if we got to like 30,000 on Bitcoin, imagine how badly the alts will bleed. For me, I will be piling in long positions at that level if we get there. So that's just to give you an idea of my mindset of how this looks. This is not troublesome at all to me, right? I'm trying to think of what questions people might be asking. But yeah, after coming back after a week of not looking at the charts and seeing this, to me, this looks like, it looks more so like this trend is very clearly pointing one direction. And sign up with Femex below if you're interested in buying Bitcoin, buying altcoins, trading. Also massive deposit bonuses if you use my link below. Without any further ado, that's it for me.